Hey guys, it's Destiny here, and today I'm gonna be trying some different random candies, and see if I like them or if I don't like them. So, the first candy I'm gonna be trying is these French Burnet Nuts, artificial flavoring. So let's see how that goes. That's what they look like. They're good, but I'd rate them 6 out of 10. Next item I'm going to be trying is Russell Steven Dark Chocolate and Raspberry Cream. So, the smell is horrifying. Now, I am a fan of dark chocolate, but not really a big fan of raspberry, so let's try it. The cream is creamy. Dark chocolate is amazing. I rate it 9 out of 10. It's pretty good. Next one I'm going to be trying is Peanut Delight. It's the same thing, just a different one. So let's see how I like this one. Ah! It fell onto my lap.
I ain't trying that.
It's what?
That's raspberry. I want mine.
I'm gonna bite it.
Okay.
Really stringy.
I want to end the pack.
It's really gross. But I'm gonna give it 6 out of 10. It's not that good. It's not something that I'd eat on a daily basis. Now the raspberry one is really good. That's about it, you know. Really not something I'd die for, you know. So yeah. The next item I'm gonna be trying is Hershey's Candy Cane Mint Candy. I've had the Halloween type one that was candy corn. It was really good, but I haven't had the Christmassy one. And this is what it looks like. It's just, you know, white chocolate with some little candy sprinkles in it. It's really good. I give it a 10 out of 10. It's really good. Yep. Give it a 10 out of 10. It's really good. It tastes like if you've had the Hershey type cookies and cream one, it's sort of like that one, except minty. But it's really good. I give it a 10 out of 10. The next item I'm going to be trying is a whatchamacallit, made with chocolate peanut flavored chips and caramel. It doesn't really look that interesting, but you know, don't judge a book by its cover.
Oh, those are good.
The caramel's good. The chocolate can't even taste like the wafer type peanut. It's not the base, like the best peanut, but it's good. I give it a 9 out of 10. Sister says it's good. I give it a 9 out of 10. The next item I'm going to be trying is a Take 5. 5-layer bar. Milk chocolate, pretzels, peanut butter, caramel, peanuts. Okay. Also in a little packaging. How cute. It's a 5-layer thing. How nice. Oh, it comes in 2. That's nice. This is what it looks like. You see the caramel coming out. This is a good bar. I give it 10 out of 10. I love pretzels.
Oh, there's pretzels in it?
Yeah.
Gross.
There's another one in it.
Yeah, I'm not eating that.
It's really good. Take a bite.
Nope, I hate pretzels.
You can't really taste the pretzels.
Hey, YouTube.
It's really good. 10 out of 10. It's amazing. Something I recommend you guys go eat. It's amazing. Yeah. Next thing we're gonna try is Nips coffee. I already opened them, but I haven't tried one. This is what the packaging looks like. You gonna try it?
I know what it tastes like.
Goodness. The packaging is cute. I'm holding my phone with one hand and opening things with my left, so this isn't really that easy. Coffee. They're really hard candies. That's not something I'd eat on a daily basis because it actually tastes like actual coffee.